Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? Down here at a client's property that was just purchased. Sharon and Alex, so excited for you guys. It's their first Section 8 rental property. This house behind me, they had purchased, okay? It needs $40,000 in rehab. Purchase price on it was $50,000 in rehab, okay? It's a 4-bedroom, gonna cash flow for somewhere between $1,300 and $1,400 a month on one of my favorite streets. Come on and let's head on in. So, when this house was purchased, it had a tenant in it. The tenant just moved out. They actually did a pretty nice job cleaning the place up, getting it ready for us. One of the issues, and this is an issue when you're buying houses remotely, is you can't smell through the phone, right? You can't smell through the computer. And I actually came to this house a couple months ago and they had cats and it did smell. One of the nice things is when we come into these houses and we paint them up and we take care of any damage, any pet urine, we take care of that stuff, all new flooring, rip up the current flooring. In some cases, we have to take the subflooring up as well to check underneath and make sure that urine hasn't soaked through into subfloor to get rid of that smell. The odor right now is really punching me in the face and it's having me tear up a little bit. But, you know, it's a great home. I absolutely love it. We actually have clients that own other houses on this street. So I'm very, very excited for this house. I'm very, very excited for it. So what we're going to do in here is we are going to paint the entire house and interior. We're going to put all new carpets down throughout the entire house, all new vinyl down in the laundry room, in the kitchen, in the auxiliary room off the back, and we'll get there. We're going to put all new drop ceiling tiles up throughout the entire house. Every single light fixture in here is bad. I don't know if you'd call this a light fixture. It's just more like a bulb that's coming, that has electricity coming through it, but it's definitely not a light fixture. So moving off of this living room, we go into bedroom number 1. Now bedroom number 1 has a disgusting carpet. Of course, we're gonna rip this up and put something really nice down in here. A lot of paint, guys. A lot of paint needs to be going on. We are going to put a door here because bedroom number 2 is actually right here. So bedroom number 2 is over here, and I love it. It's a great place. It's at the front of the house. We get a lot of light that comes through here, and back into bedroom number 1. We walk through bedroom number 1 and we're in a little hallway. Now, this little hallway also connects to our formal dining room, which was off of the main living room. Now, we have our bathroom in here, which is nice, centrally located, perfect. And then right off of this little alleyway, we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is where a ton of the smell is really saturated. So this must have been where the cat has spent most of its time, or all the cats. But we've had multiple fires in some of the electrical outlets, which you can see. We've had some issues here with the wall as well that need to be rectified. Paint in here needs to be taken care of as well. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. We're gonna get out of there and come back into this formal dining room. Now, every step I take, guys, you can hear the urine sticking to my shoes. Okay, not good, not good. But beautiful, and I love it. Remember, these are the homes where you make a lot of money because you buy them for way cheaper than what their after repair value is going to be, and that's how you build in so much equity. So, moving forward into our kitchen. We have our kitchen here. We're going to take all this flooring up. All this flooring's coming up in here. We have a newer water heater. All these cabinets are all going to come out. We're taking everything out of here. All new cabinets. We'll get rid of all these appliances also. And then coming through here, we have bedroom number 4. Now this is the master. We have a closet here that needs a closet door. We have a closet behind you that needs a better closet door. We've had another electrical fire on that outlet right there. And of course, we're gonna carpet this. It really stinks in here as well. Really stinks. Not working. Not working.
Definitely not.
So, coming back through the kitchen, we enter into our laundry room. We have our laundry hookups here. You guys can see the floor is completely coming up. There's been a ton of water damage in that corner from that water, from the washing machine in that corner. We have open dryer vents. So we have, you guys can see down into the crawl space, which is no good. And then off the rear of the house, we have a blown out window that needs to be replaced, as well as new panels on the ceiling that need to be taken care of. And there's multiple holes where you can see daylight coming through the floor in here too. So we're gonna put a brand new vinyl flooring down in there also. Guys, these are the houses where you make the most money. And when I say that, I mean when you buy houses that are beat, totally beat up and hacked up like this, these are where you're taking advantage of being able to do significant rehabs to the units and then add appreciation value to the home itself. This is a great home because it's a 4-bedroom. We're touching everything in here. We're doing electrical, we're doing plumbing, we're doing cosmetic, we're doing flooring, we're doing walls, we're doing drywall, we're doing everything you can possibly do to a home. We're gonna put new window units in here as well. There is no units. There are some old window units that are gonna go right into the trash. But this is how you build equity. When you put a tenant in here paying $1,350, $1,400 a month, you buy a house for 50 grand, that's probably worth closer to 80. You put 40,000 into it, you're now into it for 90, you're cash flowing 1,400 a month in guaranteed income, guaranteed passive cash flow per month. It doesn't get much better than that. And then year after year, your asset is gonna continue to appreciate. It's a real heck of a job. Sharon and Alex, really happy for you guys. It's a great start to your portfolio. Guys, if you wanna be like Sharon and Alex, out of state, living in the Northeast and buying something great like this down here in the Southeast, please send me an email. My email is in the description below. Otherwise, guys, leave your questions, comments below, and we'll see you next time.